Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Everyone able to hear me? I'm not able to hear you at all, guys.
Yes, sir.
Maitreya, Shriya, Prachi, Saksham, Tanishka, Asha, Astha. Good.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Maitreya, you have Mudit also with you? Good afternoon. Day 4. Let's start. And you know that Saturday, Sunday is a holiday, right? Okay. Saturday, Sunday holiday, as you know. So let's start. See, yesterday we started with the number problem, word problem with numbers. If this is more than this is less than this. I'll tell you very basics how you should solve this. Correct? Yesterday a lot of people are struggling. So we'll go by very basic so that you all understand how it's happening and you can solve easily those kind of problems. Every one of you, okay? Let's clear this. For example, let me put this here. We'll start with very basic problem and suppose say this is off, this is here, this is here, right? 1 second, okay? Let me put a problem, basic problem for you first, and then we can. It's a very easy. This way you understand that how we represent variables and how we use the word problem. This will help you to understand it. Now everybody try and tell me what should be the answer and why. Patrick gets paid $3 less than 4 times what Kevin gets paid. If the number of dollars that Kevin gets paid is represented by X, what does Patrick's get paid? You can solve very easily. Think over it and tell me what should be the correct answer here. Split the question into parts. First, how much Kevin gets paid. Then 4 times of that. Then 3 less than that. Saksham, unmute. Not able to hear? Saksham? I am not hearing at all. Maitreya, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Mudit and Maitreya both are there?
Yes. So Mudit is
About to join. Okay, so Maitreya will do this question. Read the question fully first.
Patrick gets paid $3 less than 4 times what Kevin gets paid.
Correct.
If the number of dollars that Kevin gets paid is represented by X, what does Patrick get paid?
Correct. So first of all, tell me how much Kevin gets paid. Tell me, Maitreya. It's written here. How much Kevin gets paid? See, in the question itself is given.
Okay, 4x.
No, how much Kevin gets paid? Read the second sentence again.
If the number of dollars that Kevin gets paid is represented by X.
So how much Kevin gets paid? X, right or not? It's clearly written, na? Kevin gets paid is represented by X. Where is the confusion here? Maitreya?
Yes.
What is second sentence says? Number of dollars that Kevin gets paid is represented by X. Means what? Kevin is get paid X only, right? Or no?
Yes.
Where is the confusion? It clearly says Kevin gets paid X. Yes or no?
It says represented by X.
Represented by X means what? That's only. It's you should ask me that question instead of silence. So represented by X means how much. If I say how much money Maitreya gets is represented by P, means you get paid P. If I say how much money you get is represented by Y, so you get Y, right?
Yes.
So Kevin gets X. Now, see, Patrick gets $3 less. 4 times what Kevin gets. How much Kevin gets? X.
Kevin gets X.
What is 4 times of that?
4x.
4x. No, it's a Patrick gets paid $3 less than this. How much is $3 less than 4x means?
3 minus
4x
4x.
minus 3 will do?
Sorry,
We will do
4x.
3 minus 4x. Which one is right?
4x minus 3.
4x minus 3, is it?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Why 4x minus 3? Why not 3 minus 4x?
Because 3 is smaller than 4.
No, because it said $3 less than. $3 less than 4 times, correct?
Yes.
If I say 3 less than 5, so 3 less than 5 means 5 minus 3 or 3 minus 5?
5 minus 3. 5 minus 3.
So answer is 4x minus 3. Got everybody? Very simple. It is not 3 minus 4x. It is 4x minus 3. Shreya got it? Prachi?
Yes, sir.
Is it not 4x? It is not 3 minus 4x. It is 4x minus 3. Anybody, any confusion? That is what we're going to do today. Very, very simple problems, but it should be clear enough. So this time I want everyone to be right. Take your time, understand, split the question, but tell me the correct answer. Okay, everyone? Good, Mudit. How you solve this? Assume that number of hours Katie spent practicing soccer is represented by X. Michael practiced 4 hours more than 2 times number of hours Katie practiced. Tell me how long did Michael practice? Very easy again. Tanishka says 4 plus 2x. Mudit, you explain me how will you do this step by step?
Yes, sir.
Explain me how will you solve this?
The amount of number Katie has practiced is X. So,
That is Katie, correct?
yes, sir. Michael practiced 4 hours more than the 2 times of number that Katie practiced. Means 2 plus 4.
First we'll do 2 times.
Yes, sir.
2 times.
Yes.
Then
Plus 4.
plus 4. 4 hours more, 4. We always do times first and then we do add. Board mark. 2x plus 4.
Quite easy. Thank you, sir. It's quite easy anyway.
Mute yourself now. Yes. Next. Now, very interesting question. It was easy. Next time, let's see whether it's easy or not. Read and tell me your answer. It's a very easy but little bit tricky in terms of reading it. If the expression 9y minus 5 represent a certain number, which of the following could not be the translation? Means, which of the following is false? This is the way how you learn how to approach word problems. Mudit said last one is false. Okay. Tanishka says second one is false. Okay. Asha says last is false. Okay. Prachi says B is false. Prachi, explain to everybody which one is false. You have to explain the option, all the option A, B, C, D. Okay, Prachi?
Okay, sir.
First say 5 times. Let me do one thing. Let me use the red color to write. What does it mean 5 less than 9 times y? How you write that? 5 less than 9 times y, option 1. How you write it?
9y minus 5.
9 times y is 9y. 5 less than. So 5.
Minus 5.
So 9y minus 5. It is correct then. It cannot be wrong, right?
Yeah.
Read the second one.
5 less than the sum of 9 and y.
Sum of 9 and y. This is sum of 9 and y.
Yeah.
5 less than. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 9 plus y minus 5. No. This becomes 4 plus y, which is wrong. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Prachi explained similarly option C and D.
The difference between 9y and 5. So it's like 9y minus 5.
9y. Difference between 9y. So it is also correct.
Yes, sir.
Last one.
The product of 9 and y.
So what is product of 9 and y?
So 9y
9y. Decreased by 5.
minus 5.
So out of ABCD, which is the correct, which is the wrong one?
B option.
So answer is B. Thank you, Prachi. Understood, everybody? It is very simple. 5 less than 9 times y. Same thing. 9 times y is 9y. 5 less than. But option B is 5 less than sum of 9 and y, which is wrong. No problem, Mudit. Next. Everybody, anybody, any question, you can stop me. These are very, very interesting but simple questions. This will make your basic very strong. You will not do mistakes, okay? Next. Saksham, are you able to hear me? Susan starts works at 4 o'clock and D starts at 5 o'clock. They both finish at the same time. If Susan works X hours, how many hours does D work? Tell me, everybody on chat. It's an interesting question. Some may do wrong, some may do correct. Let's see. Prachi say X plus 1. I want everybody's answer. X plus 1, X minus 1. Keep writing, everybody. X plus 1, X minus 1. So different answer. Tanishka, you will explain this after 30 seconds. Okay, Tanishka? Step by step, you will explain clearly. So guys, somebody saying X plus 1, somebody saying X minus 1. So we have to see which one is right. Okay, let's start, Tanishka, now. So suppose this is our timeline, okay? Right, Tanishka?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Why are you not speaking, Tanishma? Good evening, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you okay or not?
I am okay.
Okay. Let's start. So this is my 4 o'clock, okay? This is my 5 o'clock. Okay?
Yeah.
So how you explain? And
Sir,
suppose, let me write it here for everybody so that people understand this is my end point. Okay? Finish point. This is my finish point. Correct, Tanishka?
yes, sir.
Here who starts? First one who starts? Susan starts here. This is Susan starting, right? It's a very easy question, guys, but still a lot of people are doing mistakes, so it's very important to explain that. Susan starts here and Tanishka, not
D
Tanishka.
start.
D start. I thought Tanishka starts. Explain now what happens.
Sir, if Susan starts at work at 4 and D starts at 5, so sir, I have done. I assume that they have finished both at this. They
Correct.
have finished work at the
So
same time. So I assumed them that they had finished the work at 9.
okay,
The difference between 4 and 9 is 5. So that
correct,
is the what Susan worked for 5 hours.
correct.
But this started at 5, and the difference of 9 and 5 is 4. It is less
Correct.
than 5.
So
So
finally, you
actually,
are trying to find out who worked more, Susan or D, correct? Who
but
worked for more time?
Susan,
Understood, everybody? Susan worked for more time. That's the point she's saying. Even my diagram says which arrow is big. Red one is big, the first one. Susan worked from 4 to finish. Say finish is 9 p.m. What Tanishka is saying. Suppose say 9 p.m. You can assume anything. Suppose say 8 p.m. to make it more easy. So no confusion. 8 p.m. suppose is finish the work. Right, Susan? Right, Susan, not Susan. Tanishka. So
yes, sir.
it means how much Susan works? 4 hours. 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. But D works for 3 hours. So everybody knows that Susan worked more. Now tell me everybody, if Susan worked for X hours, so Tanishka, D will work X minus 1 or X plus 1?
X minus 1.
Obviously, because D worked 1 hour less. Actually, we don't need diagram, but if you're confused, so diagram is. Thank you, Tanishka. D has worked 1 hour less. Susan worked X hours. D has worked X minus 1. So guys, lot of you have done mistake. Not one person, lot of you heard. That's why I said it is little confusing. Easy question, but little confusing. Clear now? See? That's why I have to explain the diagram. Next one, very easy. We'll do very quickly and move on. Saksham, I'm not able to hear you. Speak again, Saksham. Not at all. Maybe your microphone has a problem. So guys, these are the 4 options. Saksham, no problem. You can see the chat and you can answer on chat box, okay? Let me make this question proper. Frederick brought 6 books that cost $3 each. What is the cost of total? What is the total cost of the book? Is it D plus 6? D plus D, 6D or D by 6? Shreya, what's the answer and why? Quickly.
So it's 6D option C
Why? You are right.
because it is a 6 book that cost $D each. So we will do 6 into D.
Because one book cost D, so this will cost more. So 6D. That's it.
Yes.
Simple, very simple. Let's move on. Wait, I'll correct it because copy paste gives problem. So I'll tell you when to read, okay? Not now. Not now, because otherwise option will be wrong. I have to correct the options first, okay? So, one second. C option is MW by D. And D option is D plus W by D, W by M. Tell me now. See the question now. There are M months in a year, W weeks in a month, and D days in a week. How many days are there a year? It is not difficult, but yes, you have to think. Mudit says A. Okay. Asta, what's your answer and why? Asta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Explain slowly to everybody. What is your answer and why?
M months in a year.
M months. So this many months in a year. Then,
Yes. W weeks.
so W weeks in a month. So when you multiply into W, you get number of weeks in a year, right?
Yes.
Then
And the days in the week.
D days in a week.
3 days.
So this
Yes.
many, this also into D. What is
Yes.
this answer? Answer is MWD, right?
Yes, sir.
Because guys, we'll multiply everything because see, in 1 year, M months, 1 month, W weeks, and then D days in a week. Everything is, so if you want to get how many days, you should increase. M becomes M into W. Then MW becomes MW into D because all multiplication happens. So option 1 is correct. First is right. Thank you, Asta. That's it. Anybody, any question on this? Let's try this. Now we are moving to more difficult ones. Wait, I'll tell you when to do. Here are the options now. A long distance call cost X cents for the first minute and Y cents for each additional minute. How much would a 5-minute call cost? Tanishka says X plus 4Y. Okay. Mudit says A. Okay. These are a very, very good question to understand how we think about word problems. Asha, what's your answer? Asha, you will solve this. Mudit says D. Mudit, you change answer always. Don't do hurry, okay? Asha, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So Asha, how will you solve this question? It says it
Sir,
costs
in
X
the
cents for first minute.
yes,
It's a 5-minute call.
yes.
So first we'll say first 1 minute and then 4 more
Is
minutes,
X.
right?
Yes.
So 1 minute is first minute plus 4 more minutes. How much it cost for first minute?
X.
X plus. Why we are splitting? Because it says first minute is X. Then Y stands for each additional minute. So remaining 4 minutes.
4Y.
4.
Y.
Answer is X plus 4Y. That's it. Thank you, Asha. Understanding,
Thank you, sir.
everybody? X plus 4Y because 5-minute cost. Now, if I change this question, can everybody answer still? If I change this question now, let me change this question now. And I will not give option this time. This time I will give free just the question. Let's see how many you can write. Call a long distance call cost X cents for first 2 minutes and y 7 additional minute. How much it will be cost for 7-minute call? Tell me everybody now. Let's see who can do this. Two x plus 5y. Okay. 2x plus 5y. As of now, everyone is wrong. As of now, everyone is wrong. See again. Total 7 minutes is there. 2 minutes and plus 5 minutes. Correct? For first 2 minutes, how much is the cost? X plus 5. 5 minutes. Y set for each minute. So 5y. Answer is x plus 5y, guys. Why you could not get every one of you? Right, Maitreya? Right, Mudit? Tanishka? It should be x plus 5y. It is costing x cent for first 2 minutes, not every minute. Okay? No, this time everyone will do right. I'll change the question again one more time. P rupees for the first 3 minutes and W rupees for each additional minute. Now tell me this answer now. This time everyone should be correct, please. Mudit says P plus 2W. Tanishka says P plus 2W. Everybody write your answer, everyone, please. Shreya say P plus 2W. That will tell me that you are understanding the concept and know you are good. That's why I want everyone to do it. 5-minute call. First 3 minutes and then 2 minutes. For first 3 minute cost is P. Okay. Plus remaining 2 minutes, it is W rupees per minute. So 2W. Correct. Now I am happy that everyone got it. P plus 2W. Now interesting question. I want to see who can do it. Loving it today more. Easy questions but playing with the mind little bit. Tell me, Melissa is 4 times as old as Jim. Pat is 5 years older than Melissa. If Jim is 4 years old, how old is Pat? Let's start. Prachi, unmute.
Yes, sir.
First, we'll see the question. Melissa is 4 times old as Jim. Pat is 5 years older than Melissa. Jim is 5 years old. We start from Jim. What is the age of Jim?
Y years.
Y years. Then you'll get age of?
Melissa.
What would be Melissa if Jim is Y?
4y.
Because
4
4
times.
times. 4Y.
Yes.
If we know Melissa, can we get Pat Jim? Pat age? Pat
Yes,
is 5 years older than Melissa.
4y plus 5.
4y plus 5. So guys, this is how we solve step by step. Good. 4y plus 5. Thank you. So got everybody, you should start step by step. What is given? Then Melissa related to Jim, Pat is related to Melissa's age. That's it. Now, I am going to again modify the question without options now, so that all of you can practice it. If I change this, Mudit is 3 times as old as Kim. Pat is 3 years younger than Mudit. If Kim is K years old, how old is Pat? Tell me now, everybody. Okay, okay. Okay. Mudit, how will you solve this?
Yes, sir.
What is the first thing you will do?
First thing I will put Kim's age, which is K.
Then
Then I'll take my age. It is 3 times more than K,
this
which
is
is
not
3.
you, Mudit, some other Mudit. Okay.
3K.
So 3K. Then
And then Pat is equal to 3K minus 3 because he's 3 years younger than Pat,
correct.
Mudit.
Good. So 3K minus 3 is right. Very good, everyone. Thank you, Mudit. Next question. Easy one. Before we move to bigger one, easy one first. Let's do it very fast, everybody. Mudit, solve this question on the board.
Yes, sir.
Mute. Just solve on the chat. Saksham, you will explain this answer on the chat. So write the first, what is the answer and then why. What you will do first, how, what is the answer and how. First, Edward combine 2 6 in pieces. I said Saksham Mudit. That is not good. So 6 inch pieces are how many? 2. Plus 1 4 inches. So 16 inches. Right, everybody? So Mudit, don't do that if I don't ask your name. Saksham, 6 into 2, 4 plus 4, 16. Correct. 16 is the right answer, everybody. Got it? Next. Is everybody write on chat the answer? Very, very easy question. Solve everybody on chat quickly. If everybody will get it, we'll move to different, the more difficult one. Interesting question after this. Solve everybody very quickly and tell me the answer on chat. Mary has $2 in her pocket. She does yard work for 4 different neighbors and earns $3 per yard. She then spends $2 on a soda. How much money does she have left? Shreya, explain.
Yes, sir.
Explain quickly.
Sir, so first she has $2 in her pocket.
$2.
Then she does work for 4 different neighbors and spent $3 per yard. So 4 into 3, that is
Correct.
12.
And then
Then minus 2 because she spends $2 on soda. So that is 12.
good. Everybody got 12 very easily. Now, interesting question. I want to see the challenge. Who can do this challenge? Who can answer this challenge? First time correct. Only one chance for everybody. So Mudit says -9. Mudit, write only once, please. Otherwise, I will not consider your answer. Next, guys, who else answer can answer? Mudit say -9. I don't know right or wrong. Who else? Ten is decreased by 4 times the quantity of 8 minus 3. Why is confused, guys? Everybody? You might be thinking you're not getting options, right? Say last option, none of these. But don't worry about option. Give your answers, please. Mudit, what you wrote in private doesn't give me the right answer. Mudit, that is not the way. But I'll explain everybody. See, 10 is decreased by 4 times the quantity of 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. What is 8 minus 3? 5. 4 times of this. What is 4 times of 5? 20. 10 is decreased by this. So answer here is minus 10. 1 is then added to the result. Minus 10 plus 1. Answer is minus 9. Mudit, you are right, but the way you wrote 10 minus 4 into 8 minus 3 is not correct. Should put 8 minus 3 in the bracket first. Otherwise, your answer becomes minus 4 into 8 minus 32 minus 35 plus 20 minus 25. Okay, Mudit? You solved it correctly but wrote it wrongly. But method is correct. Understood everybody, Prachi? How are you getting minus 9? 8 minus 3 first, so 5. 4 times the quantity, so 4 5s are 20. 10 is decreased by, notice 10 is decreased from. 10 is decreased by 20. 10 is decreased by 20, so minus 10. Minus 10, then add 1, so minus 9. No problems, Mudit. Got it, everybody? Mudit, you are doing very good. You are intelligent. You have to just discipline. That's it.
Sir?
Yes, please. Prachi.
But why minus 1?
Not minus 1, plus 1.
Yeah, plus 1. Why?
Minus 10 plus 1 is how much?
Minus 9.
Correct. Because it's added to the result. That's why. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Is everyone okay? What happened to all everyone others? You know, not everyone got answer. Mudit was right to answer. Then Asta got it. Good. Where is Tarishka left? Tarishka, where are you? Next problem. Okay. Another question like this. This time everyone should get it. Think, and then do it. I give you options so that you can verify. Otherwise, without option also you can do. Tanishka says 21. Mudit, shall I take this answer or you're coming back again? 15, okay. 21 and 15 as of now. Who else? Maitreya says 15, okay. Saksham, Prachi, Asta, Asha, everyone reply please. See how we have solved this question. First I will write this sentence in the form of numbers. You check how beautifully it is can be done. I am writing this sentence in the numbers first. Okay, listen very carefully and see what I am doing. You will be very, very happy. See, 4 is added to. We are adding 4 plus. Correct? To the quantity. 2 minus. 2 minus sum of, let's put sum of here like this. Sum of negative 7. Negative 7 is this, and 6. Correct? Sum of negative 7 and 6 is this. 2 minus this. 2 minus this. And then we are adding 4. So let's solve this one first. 4 plus, remove this also now. 2 minus. What is minus 7 plus 6? Minus 1. Correct? Next. 4 plus 2 minus minus plus 1. We got how much here? 7. And finally answer is multiplied by 3. Tanishka, you are right. 21 is the answer. So this is not easy, guys. We have to think more that what is the wording given. 21 is right. Interesting question. Is everyone understood? I'll modify this question now. If you understood, I'll do one more like this. Tell me CC or doubt. Got it, Mudit, Maitreya, Saksham? I'll remove this. I'll say 5 is added to the quantity 3 minus sum of negative 5, negative 4, and 5 and 6 multiplied by 2. Let's see who does it now. See, I not change anything, only number. Maitreya, what you're saying? Tanishka says 12. I don't know, I not checked it, but everybody just try. Asta says 20, Mudit says 20, okay. Prachi says 20. Mudit, what is your final answer? So, how will solve? See, 5 is added to the quantity 3 minus sum of negative 4 and 6. And finally, everything of this, all these things finally will be multiplied by 2. We do in the end. Okay. So what is 6 minus 4? 2. What is 3 minus 2? 1. What is 5 plus 1? 6. What is 6 into 2? 12. How we get 20, guys? Where is the mistake? Tell me, guys, why you got 20? 5 is added to the quantity 3 minus sum of negative 4 and 6. Answer is multiplied by 2. See everybody, how we write this? 5 is added to. Okay, we are adding 5 to something. Quantity, so we start putting in the bracket. 3 minus. Sum of, so you are doing sum here. -4 and 6. And finally this answer means whole this answer is multiplied by 2. Okay, everybody agree? First you will solve this. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then it is plus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. Fine, agree? Any questions? No questions? Good. So everybody practice this kind of questions. Write some words, number and then practice, because this is very important to understand what is the meaning. Otherwise, if I directly give this 5 plus 3 minus, you can solve it. But if this is given the words, that's why it's a word problem course. How to interpret the word problem. 5 is added to 5 plus something. Quantity 3 minus, so 3 minus something. Sum of two things. Which are two things? Minus 4 and 6. Minus 4 plus 6. That's it. So no question. We'll meet next time, next Monday now, coming Monday. Saturday, Sunday, enjoy your weekend, everyone. That's it. Have a nice time. We'll meet you Monday again. Bye-bye.